How to log in to ANZ Bank online banking. So if you want to log into ANZ Bank online banking, then what you need to do is first open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Once you're under that, you just need to simply go with search. Under search, you need to search for ANZ Bank. Once you search for it, here you will get www.anz.com.au personal. So you just need to simply tap on that and it will take you to the website. So simply go with login, which is on the upper right. Once you tap on login, now here you need to enter your customer registration number, and after that you need to enter your password. So simply enter your password. Once you enter your password, simply go with login. But if you don't remember your details, you can go with forgot login details, or you can go with register if you don't have an account. But if you want to log in, then simply enter your customer registration number and then password and login, and you'll be logged into your account. So that's it. That's how you can log into your ANZ Bank online banking. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.